Next is solve 1 minus 1 1. This is 2 1 minus 1 5 minus 2 and 2. After that we are having x, y and z, and on the right hand side we are having 1 2 and 5. This is 1 2 and 5. Solve this. 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 1, 5 minus 2 and 2, x y z 1 2 and 5. We are to solve this matrix. First of all, augmented form is, or augmented matrix is A3 dots B. This is equals to 1 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 1, 5 minus 2 2, 3 dots. This is 1 2 and 5. First of all, now this element is already 1. We are to make these two elements 0 using row number 1. Matlab R2 minus 2R1 and R3 minus 5R1. First row will remain as it is, 1 minus 1 1 and 1. R2 minus 2R1, matlab 2 minus 2, this is 0. The element of R2 is 1 minus 2 times R1. This is 1 plus 2, this is 3. Again, R2 is minus 1, minus 2 times R1, minus 1, minus 2. This is minus 3. R2 is 2, minus 2 times R1. R1 is 1. 2 minus 2, it will be 0. After that, R3 minus 5 R1, 5 minus 5, it will be 0. R3 element is minus 2, minus 5 times R1, it will be minus 1. Minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5 will be 3. Again, R3. This is 2 minus 5 times R1. 2 minus 5. This is minus 3. R3 is 5 minus 5 times R1. This is 1. 5 minus 5 will be 0. Now these two elements are 0. We are to make this element 0. For making this element 0, we are to take row number 2. So operation will be R3 minus 3 times R2. So 1 minus 1, 1, 0, 3, minus 3 and 0. R3, 0 minus 3 times, R3 minus R2 beta, 3 minus 3, 0 minus 0 will be 0, 3 minus 3 will be 0, minus 3 plus 3 will be 0 and 0 minus 0 will be 0. अब यहाँ पे भाई लास्ट पूरी की पूरी रो ही 0 है हमारे पास. The whole row is 0. मतलब in this case we will be having infinitely many solutions. We will be having infinitely many solutions because third row is 0. Again, in the equation form, it will be x minus y plus z is equals to 1 and 3y minus 3z is equals to 0. From second equation, we can write 3y is equals to 3z. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2 implies 3y is equals to 3z, or it can be y is equals to z. Substituting the value of y equals to z in equation number 1. Therefore, equation number 1 implies x minus z plus z is equals to 1 or x is equals to 1. Let z is equals to k. Therefore, y is equals to k and x is equals to 1. For different values of k, we are having different values of y and z. It means that the equation is depending upon z. So we are having infinitely many solutions. Question is, solve the following system of equations using Gauss elimination method. Solve the following system of equations using Gauss elimination method. Question is x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 1. 2x minus 3y plus z is equal to 0. 5x plus y minus 5z is equal to 1. 3x plus 14y minus 12z is equal to 5. I'm again repeating the question. X plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 1. 2x minus 3y plus z equals to 0. 5x plus y minus 5z equals to 1. And 3x plus 14y minus 12z is equals to 5. Now see, again, augmented matrix is A3 dots B equals to 1, 2, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 3, 1, 0, 5, 1, minus 5, 1, 3, 14, minus 12, and 5. This is our augmented matrix. Okay? Now, beta, this element is again 1. We are to make these are our diagonal elements. Okay? We are to make firstly these 3 elements 0. After that, we will be making these elements 0. How? Again, R2 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 5 R1, and R4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. R4 minus 3 times R1. 1, 2, minus 2, 1. R2 minus 2 R1. 2 minus 2 will be 0. R2 minus 2 times R1 minus 3 minus 4. Okay? It will be minus 7. R2 1 minus 2 times R1 minus minus plus 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 will be 5. R2 0 minus 2 times R1. 0 minus 2 will be minus 2. After that, R3 minus 5 R1. 5 minus 5 will be 0. R3 minus 5 times R1. 1 minus 5 twos are 10. 1 minus 10 will be minus 9. R3 means minus 5 times R1. This is minus 5 minus minus plus 5 twos are 10. Minus 5 plus 10 will be 5. Similarly, R3 minus 5 times R1, and R1 is 1. 1 minus 5, it will be minus 4. Okay? Next is, beta please calculations check karte jana साथ साथ. Next is R4 minus 3 R1. 3 minus 3 will be 0. R4, that is 14 minus 3 times R1. 14 minus 6. It will be 8. Similarly, R4, this is minus 12 minus 3 times R1. This is minus 12 plus 6. It will be minus 6. Again, R4, this is 5 minus 3 times R1. 5 minus 3, it will be 2. Okay? Now, all these elements are 0. In the second row, this element is diagonal element. We are to make these elements 0 using row number 2. ठीक है? अब इन दोनों को 0 बनाना है using row number 2. इसको 0 बनाने के लिए we have 2 methods. Either make this element 1 multiplying row number 2 with minus 1 by 7. अगर आप इसको minus 7 के साथ डिवाइड कर दोगे it will be 1. तो उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे ऑपरेशंस लगा सकते हो, और you can directly apply the operations. Multiply this element with 9, multiply this element with 7 and subtract both the elements. This is your choice बेटा कि आप लोगों ने क्या करना है. ठीक है? I am simply taking the terms as it is. We are to R3, that is 7 times R3 minus 9 times R2. इसको मैं 7 से multiply कर रही हूँ, इसको 9 से. After that, we are going to subtract these two terms. This is 1, 2, minus 2, and 1, 0, minus 7, 5, and minus 2. It will remain 0, it will remain 0. This element will be 0. 7 times R3, 7 times R3, that is 5, minus 9 times R2. R2 is again 5. 7 5s are 35, 9 5s are 45. 35 minus 45 will be minus 10. After that, again, 7 times R3, 7 times minus 4, minus 9 times R2, and R2 is minus 2. Beta please calculations check karte jana. 7 times R3 minus 9 times R2. 7 times R3 minus 9 times R2. 7 4s are 28 plus 9 2s are 18. It will be again equals to minus 10. Okay? After that, we are going to make this term 0 using R2 again. Means multiply R3 with 7. 7 times R4, sorry. Multiply this term with 7. Now we are to multiply this term with 7. 7 times R4 plus 8 times R2. Okay, we are to operate with R2 only. Now it will be 0 again. We are having 7 times R4. 7 times R4. R4 is minus 6 plus 8 times R2, and R2 is 5. 7 6 are 42 plus 8 5s are 40. So it will be minus 2. After that, again, we are having 7 times R4 plus 8 times R2. R2 is minus 2. 7 times R4 plus 8 times R2. 7 times R4 plus 8 times R2. 7 2s are 14 minus 8 2s are 16. This is again minus 2. Okay? After that, beta, these were diagonal elements. ये तो सारे 0 बन गए. अब हमें इसे भी 0 बनाना. इसको 0 बनाएंगे using R3. R4, 5 times R4. If we multiply this term with 5, 5 times R4 minus R3. If we operate this operation, it will be 1, 2, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 7, 5, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 10, 0, 0. 5 times R4, 5 into 2 is 10, minus 10 plus 10, it will be 0. Again, minus 10 plus 10, it will be 0. अब बेटा यहाँ पे देखो, this term is again 0. Whole row is 0. But if we make the equation form again, in the equation form, it will be x plus 2y minus 2z is equals to 1, minus 7y plus 5z is equals to minus 2, and minus 10z is equals to minus 10. We are having 3 unknowns, and we are having remaining net 3 equations. So we are having unique solution. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. यहाँ पे लास्ट रो पे 0 बनने से हमें कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमारे पास जितने अननोन्स थे उतनी इक्वेशंस है हमारे पास. So from the last equation, the value of z is equals to 1. From equation number 2, minus 7y plus 5 is equals to minus 2. Minus 7y is equals to minus 2 minus 5. Minus 7y is equals to minus 7 implies that y is equals to 1. And equation number 1 implies x plus 2y minus 2z is equals to 1. Implies that x is equals to 1. You can substitute the values of x, y, z in any of these 4 equations. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, it means that the values of x, y, z are correct. Okay? Ji beta, after that we are having Gauss-Jordan method. In Gauss-Jordan method, if the system of equations or augmented form is, let it be A1, B1, C1, D1, A2, B2, C2, and D2. Similarly, A3, B3, C3, and D3. In this case, we are to have only these three terms only, and we are to make all other elements zero. ठीक है? In this case, beta, in Gauss-Jordan method, we will be having only diagonal elements, and we will make the matrix as a diagonal matrix. ठीक है? Diagonal matrix बनाएंगे. In this case, all the elements will be zero. Again, we will be do again stepwise. First of all, step number 1, take this element as it is and make all the lower elements zero using row number 1. Take this element as it is and make all the elements above and below this element zero using row number 2. Keep this element as it is and make all the above elements zero using row number 3. In this way, we will be having a diagonal matrix and we can find the values of x, y and z directly. ठीक है? क्वेश्चन है इसके ऊपर, solve. Question is solve this is wait a minute beta. Solve 2x plus y plus z is equals to 10, 3x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 18, and x plus 4y plus 9z is equals to 16. ठीक है? We are having these equations. First of all, augmented form of the matrix. Augmented matrix is, this is 2, 1, 1, 10, 3, 2, 3, and 18, 1, 4, 9, and 16. ठीक है? Now see beta. First of all, again same procedure. अगर आपको यहाँ पे कहीं पे 1 दिखता है तो इंटरचेंज कर लो, नहीं दिखता है तो let it be as it is. We are having 1 in third row, so interchange row 1 and 3. We will get 1, 4, 9, 16, 3, 2, 3, and 18. Similarly, we are having 2, 1, 1, and 10. ठीक है? Now, let it be as it is. We are to make these two elements zero using row number 1. Means we are going to apply the operation R2 minus 3 times R1 and R3 minus 2 times R1. ठीक है? तो क्या आएगा हमारे पास? 1, 4, 9, 16. R2 minus 3 R1. 3 minus 3 will be 0. R2 minus 3 times R1. 2 minus 3 4s are 12. It will be minus 10. It will be minus 10. Again, R2 minus 3 R1. R2 minus 3 times R1. 3 minus 9 3s are 27. It will be minus 24. R2, that is 18 minus 3 times R1. It will be 18 minus 48. 18 minus 48. It will be 30. Okay, minus 30. Similarly, we are to operate R3 minus 2 times R1. R3 is 2 minus 2 times R1. It will be 0. R3 is 1 minus 2 times 4. 1 minus 8. It will be minus 7. Again, R3 is 1 minus 2 times 9. 1 minus 18. It will be minus 17. Similarly, R3 minus 2 times R1. It will be 32 and it will be minus 22. So this is the matrix after first operation. Now these two elements are 0. Now we are to keep this element as it is and we are to make these two elements 0 using row number R2. अब इसको बेटा 0 बनाना हमने, इसको 0 बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? This is 10 times R1 minus or plus 4 times R2. Similarly, 10 times R3 minus 7 times R2. ये निकालो जल्दी से वैल्यूज और मुझे बताओ इसका क्या आंसर आता है. हाँ जी बेटा, we have applied these operations. After applying the operations, we will get this matrix as 10, 0, minus 6, 40. This row will remain as it is, 0, 0, minus 2 and minus 10. Now see beta, it was the diagonal element. It was a diagonal element. Now this is the diagonal element. Below the diagonal elements, all the elements are 0. Above and below the diagonal elements, these two elements are 0. Now we are to make these two elements 0 using row number R3. So what will be the operation? क्या ऑपरेशन लगाएंगे हम यहाँ पे? It will be R1 minus 3 times R3. Let us multiply this term with 3. 2 3s are 6 and R1 minus 3 times R3. Similarly, R2 minus 12 times R3. ठीक है? R1 minus 3 times R3, it will be 10, it will be 0 and it will be 0 again. Minus 6 plus 6. Similarly, second row, it will be 0, it will be minus 10 and it will be 0 again. Last row will remain as it is, 0, 0 and minus 2. And this minus 10 will remain as it is. We are having R1, that is 40 minus 3 times R3, that is 40 plus 30. This is 70. Similarly, R2, this is minus 30 minus 12 times R3, this is minus 10. Minus 30 plus 120. 120 में से 30 माइनस करोगे 90 आएगा, it will be 90. ठीक है? So beta, write in equation form, it will be 10x is equals to 70, minus 10y is equals to 90 and minus 2z is equals to minus 10. Means x is equals to 7, y is equals to minus 9 and z is equals to 5. So we get the values of x, y and z and substitute the values of x, y and z in any of the given equation. If left hand side equals to right hand side, you will get the required result.
में कौन सा टॉपिक था?
Gauss-Jordan method.